Welcome to Hair in Mexico. We are now even closer to our clients and are pleased to introduce you to our new clinic on the shores of the Caribbean Sea in the sunny city of Cancun. Our clinic offers Turkish specialists for hair, beard, mustache, and eyebrow transplants. With innovative direct DHI hair transplantation technique and the gentle Choi Pen soft touch method, you can say adios to discomfort and whole to amazing results. We use local anesthesia, which allows you to feel no pain or discomfort during and after surgery. No ouchies, just wowsies. The procedure lasts from 6 to 8 hours with a break for a lunch. Before you decide to undergo a hair transplant procedure, we suggest you make an appointment for a free consultation with our doctors. Join us in Instagram and let's make your hair dreams come true.